G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 52 Cleburne Street in beautiful Claremont. We've got magnificent views right over to Mount Wellington with close to Hobart CBD and the home 3-bedroom, downstairs wine cellar, double garage and loads of off-street parking. Let's go in and take a look. We're fully fenced, we're in a great location, we've got magnificent gardens, multiple outbuildings including a double garage and did I mention a wine cellar. If you'd like to know more or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.